Hey guys, welcome back to another Candy's Hair Diary video. As y'all can see, I have already started. Today we are doing my infamous illusion individual braid pattern, and we're going to be installing some of these cute poetry locks, y'all. I just found. So, as y'all can see, I've already started. This won't be a full detail video, but if you would like to see everything in full detail, I will link the link of the video above and also put that same link of that same video in the description bar at the bottom. I use the Shining Jam as a way to, make my braids and whatnot look shiny. That don't even make sense. Like, what am I saying? Why I always get tongue tied on these videos? I don't know. Y'all know what I'm saying. And if y'all don't, let me say it again. Okay, so I like to use Shining Jam. I don't like to use gel because, y'all, I don't know if anybody else's hair like this, but gel tends to leave like a residue in my head and it makes my scalp more flaky than jam does. So this is why I like this particular jam. And I only use it's bigger than a dime, probably like a nickel size on each finger for each braid. So as y'all can see, I did some random parting. There is nothing straight, no square, no diamonds, just, hey, random parting. I am randomly connecting these braids. They do not go in any particular order. It's just how I feel. Okay. So yeah. So I've already done the left side and I was like, well, let me go ahead and record the right side so people can see. And like I said, if you want full detail, I do have the link posted in the description bar of this video, so y'all check it out and you can see how I do this braid pattern from start to finish. But since this ain't a start to finish, we just gonna go ahead and go through the motions and speed it right on up. But yeah, so yeah, y'all, this braid pattern has given me so much versatility when I be doing my crochets for the twists, the locks, or I still have not done the box braids crochets yet. I'm a little scared to try those, but I'll eventually get to those. I just gotta figure out what style I want to do with the box braids. So as y'all can see, I'm completely done. I did a whole foundation all the way around. I left the middle out because I don't do the full thing all the way around, although you can. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to do a circle in the middle or if I wanted to do a snake, so it goes in like a zigzag braid pattern. So I decided to do the snake because braiding in a circle on your own head can be a little bit more challenging. But this zigzag kind of gives you the same effect, and I like it this way so that the locks can cover more in the back when I install them. When you do it, I found when you do it up and down, I mean, just for me, particularly for my taste, I just like this braid pattern better. There's nothing wrong with doing it the other way, but for how I like my crochet to fall, I like it doing either the zigzag way or the circle braid way in the middle. Did I part perfectly? No, I did not. Like I told y'all, everything is random about this part, and you want it to look effortless. You don't want it to look, well, you can make it look, like complete, like, oh yes, this is perfect. No, I ain't doing none of that. So as y'all can see, this is the complete look after I've done the braid down. I took the end of that little braid and I sewed it. I didn't want to crochet it because sometimes when you crochet it through the other braid, it kind of like comes out. So y'all see my victory dance. I'm done. So this is the hair, y'all. I have personally never paid attention to this hair. I'm sure this hair has been out for a while. I just personally have never paid attention to this hair. So it's the Nola Tress Poetry Locks. This is a 10, 12, 14 layered lengths because I wanted a more natural look. Yes, y'all, natural. And I was like, man, I only bought one pack again. I don't know, y'all, why I keep doing this to myself. I don't know, either I buy one pack or I buy 2 packs, because it just depends. Like, I be feeling like sometimes I be needing all the hair. So each little thing, each length came with 10 individual locks, which made it 30. Now, did I count how many plaits that I was putting in my head? No. So at that moment, I was like, man, I done messed up. So I'm gonna start in the back. I started in the back with the 14, and I started from ear to the other side of the ear and made my way to the side so that it would be completely layered and would not look lopsided. So yeah, this is the 14-inch. These locks felt so natural and actually look pretty natural. I'm trying to think, is this my first time having the actual crochet faux locks without boho locks or the goddess locks? I think this is my first time having the regular locks. So yeah, that's when I knew. Y'all saw me when I said I should have got one more pack. I should have just got one more pack, because I was like, well, let me go ahead and do the front and do the back. That way I can fill in the rest, because who knows, you know what I'm saying, if I was going to find what I needed to find, even if I had to like combine it with another similar brand but with the same look, I was going to do what I had to do. But as y'all can see, y'all see how it doesn't look so crocheted. It looks like individuals. It's giving me that individual illusion look. Now, of course, you're going to see some of the connecting braids. It is what it is. But that's with any type of crochet style, I feel like. So here I am, all done, as y'all can see, and it gives me that V shape in the back. Very, very natural looking, y'all. In this part, I'll show you how you can wear it either way. You can wear it all down, half up, half down, all up, side ponytail, or all up, side bun, all back. When I say this braid pattern be saving my life, and every time I do this braid pattern in somebody else's head with this crochet style, everybody asks the same question to that person, like, oh, you got crochet individuals? Are those like regular, or what's going on? And they're like, no, it's not individuals. And I'm like, it look like individuals. See, you guys do the same braid pattern, y'all will see. Y'all will see somebody gonna be asking y'all them same questions, and then you just say, nope, these are not individuals. I found these on Candy's Hair Diary YouTube, and then y'all can just send them my way. Just send them my link, y'all. Just send them my YouTube link. Help your girl out. But yeah, so this is a side ponytail. I thought this is super funky. I wear it like this most of the time, because dealing with my 1-year-old about to be 2. He's about to have a whole 2-year-old. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I be needing styles that save me. Save me, Jesus, save me. But yeah, so as y'all can see, y'all go ahead and check out. I'll link a link to this hair as well. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys. Go ahead and give this a try. All right, guys, so here is the final product. As y'all can see, what it looks like. Back. And it comes down to about right here. So, yeah, y'all, I legit ran out of hair, and literally I went to 3 different beauty supply stores looking for this particular brand of hair. Like I said, I've never used this hair before, never seen it, never seen the brand, and I'm pretty sure it might be a popular brand, but I just never used it before. But I will say I do like this Locs. I found my trouble I was running into was finding, these are called poetry locks, and I was finding butterfly locks. I found more of those than the poetry locks. So trying to find another pack of this at another location that I previously went to that I just didn't feel like driving that far to run up the street just to get another pack. But what's interesting is when I went into one of the beauty supply stores, I just had like a little hood on, but you kind of see like the front of my locks and you can see like the back. And the cashier was like, excuse me. And she was like, are those real locks? And I was like, no. I said, girl, these are crochets and I'm in the middle of doing them and they are halfway done. So please don't look at me like I'm crazy because I just came in here just to find some more hair. I ran out of hair, but thank you for the compliment though, but they aren't real locks. So, I guess that goes to show that these do look a bit more realistic, like the realistic locks. I guess I didn't get a chance to really show you guys what they look like out of the pack. But yeah, so I'll probably end up putting maybe like some shells in it or something. Throw in a couple of jewels. I won't make it too junky because I do not like junky locks. But yeah, all in all, I do like these. It's getting a little warm, so this color is definitely for the win. This is a T27. So yeah, and I wish they had like a T27 mixed with a 613. They should make that mix. But yeah, I like these locks, and these will definitely be in for a good little while. I did run out and get 18 inches. So y'all saw the pack that I mixed. The pack that I started with was a 10, 12, and a 14. They didn't have that, so all they had was single packs of 18. So I got 2 packs of the 18 inches, and they were $10 a pack. I really wish they were not that much, but whatever. So yeah, like I said, I do like these. I'll add a couple jewels in them, but all in all, and I don't like this whole kind of funky layered look in the front. I like that, so that they're not all like one layer. But yeah, so these are a hit. And if I find them, like I said, I bought these in the store. If I find the link that they might sell on Amazon, I don't know, but I will post a link in my description bar. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next hair, beauty, everything else. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see something else too. Like, I'm open for suggestions. Yeah. Anyways, thanks guys for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next Candy's Hair Diary video.